Welcome to Sports Comms Lecture 1, where we talk about internet and digital media. Internet is a vast growing thing, to say the least. First of all, we've got these local newspapers, local and regional newspapers. Then, of course, we go to radio, which tends to be regional and national, so bigger again. Then we go to television, which tends to be national and global. But then there's the internet, which is pretty much purely global. You can be a small internet site in Upper Moutere and have a global audience. So how that affects us? UK first. So let's have a think about TV ads. And this is a UK first, in that TV ads made 1.6 billion, online ads made 1.75 billion. So in other words, online advertising outstripped television advertising. This was quite recently, 2010 I think. Global impact in news, that's the wonderful thing, that things can go viral very quickly, so you can have a global impact despite having a very small ad spend. It's a converged medium in that you can do a number of things in one place. You can have a direct marketing link with your customer, and you can have a major ad campaign. You've got multilingual options whereby Google will translate your pages for you. You can show additional footage that is not shown in more traditional media. You've also got this ability to individually customize things for your client, which gives you a lot richer experience as a consumer, and as a provider of sports, you've got a lot more opportunities to upsell your consumer, and as a sponsor, you've got a lot of extra layers of opportunity that you don't have with the more traditional media forms. As well, we've got a number of sports, particular sports websites. So we're going to have a look at some of those. So this is ESPN. You can see you've got quite a lot of headlines. You've got a lot of stories that you can click through to. As well, fantasy games, which we'll talk about very shortly. Quite a lot of stuff that you can go and have a cruise around and look at. Then we've got The Edition, which is owned by CNN. Again, there's a lot of clips that you can click on to watch, a lot of stories, a lot of other items that you can cruise through and have a look at. And they've actually clustered their offer by particular sports types. You can also customize this page. Additionally, we've got the rise of the blog, so we'll take a couple of looks at those as well. This is the Offside, which is of course a football blog. So you can see there's quite a bit of information. You can pick your area of interest, or you can go with a league. You can see there's quite a few stories. You can have a look at a whole range of things in here as well. So a lot of clips and things like that, and you can watch live games. Then we can have a look at something like the rugby blog, where again you've got the same kind of deal, that you can look at Six Nations, you can look at rugby champs, you can look at anything you like, and you've also got a few things screening at the top of the page, so you've got a few live feeds there. A little bit less busy, probably more suited to the rugby player, more pictures, fewer words. Very interesting actually, that marketing. So that's the rugby blog. Go and have a look and see what there is on offer. I think you'll find it very interesting.